Welcome to AI Explained. Today we're diving into the absolute most critical part of artificial intelligence, the data it learns from. Imagine building a brilliant AI model. The code is perfect, the training is flawless, but the output is terrible, useless, or even catastrophic. Why? Because the data was bad. It's a foundational rule in AI: garbage in, garbage out. Bad data equals terrible AI, even with absolutely perfect code. The best machine learning model is powerless if you feed it junk. Data quality determines AI quality. That's the reality. By the end of this video, you will be able to spot bad data instantly, recognizing the 4 key problems that will kill any AI project. Let's break down the 4 most common data quality problems you need to watch out for. These are the silent assassins of AI performance. First up, missing data. These are the gaps. Imagine a data set of house prices, but half the entries are missing the quote square footage or number of bathrooms. The AI can't learn anything reliable from a half-blank canvas. Second, duplicates. The clones. If you accidentally feed the exact same customer record 100 times, the AI thinks that customer is 100 times more important than everyone else. Duplicates skew results and waste compute power. Third, wrong formats. The mess. An AI expects a number to be a number. If price is sometimes $30,000 and sometimes $30,000 in the spreadsheet, the AI sees 2 completely different things and can't use either reliably. Standardization is key. And fourth, and perhaps most dangerous, bias. The unfairness. If your training data reflects existing human prejudices, like only showing successful hiring examples of men for technical roles, the AI will simply automate and amplify that discrimination. The AI is only as fair as the data it's trained on. To show you how high the stakes are, let's look at one of the biggest data disasters in recent tech history, the Zillow iBuying collapse. In 2021, Zillow shut down its house-flipping business, iBuying, taking a massive $500 million loss. Their business relied on an AI model to predict house values and quickly buy, renovate, and sell properties. The core issue? Bad and stale data. Their AI was predicting future values using old data that didn't account for rapid shifts in the housing market. It overpaid for thousands of houses, and Zillow lost a fortune, proving bad data can destroy a multi-billion-dollar company overnight. So how do we fix this? Data cleaning is essential. Use this checklist as your starting point. The checklist is simple. Fill or remove blanks, eliminate duplicates, standardize formats so they're consistent, and actively check your data for historical bias. Do this, and you save your AI. To quickly recap the 4 data quality killers: missing data creates gaps, duplicates skew the results, wrong formats confuse the model, and bias introduces unfairness. Your action step this week is simple. Open any spreadsheet you use, work, personal, whatever, and find 3 data problems: a blank cell, a duplicate row, and a formatting inconsistency. Just recognizing them is the first step to becoming an AI expert. Next time on AI Explained, we dive into video 16, how companies secretly collect the massive amounts of data needed to train these powerful AIs. Subscribe so you don't miss it.